Tropical update as of 7 a.m. PST, July 14th. And our disturbance off Florida is becoming a little bit organized. We kind of have a little bit of a surface trough, or even maybe even a broad LC trying to form just north of the convection, as you can see. Just what I mean, west of, east of northern Florida. Um, Expected to head west southwestward into Florida the next 24 hours. I mean, the NC says it has a 10% chance of formation into a tropical depression in the next 2 days, and a 30% in the next 7 days. I agree. Um, I agree. I mean, I wouldn't go any higher than that based on what I see in the models. Things haven't really become much better outside the icon. I mean, it actually does form a low pressure in the next 24 hours, as you can see. I mean, ECMWF has a low. CMC has a low. Let's go to 36. Yeah, pretty much he has about 36 hours of form. GFS really doesn't do anything with it. Yeah. By 48 hours is in the Gulf of Mexico as a 1009 low on the icon. ECII doesn't show anything. GFS doesn't show anything. Still, that's one of the reasons why I don't think it has a huge chance of formation. Even Vart level didn't hardly show anything at 48. Let's go 72. It is pretty far south on the GFS at Vart level. Let's look at CMC. It's further to the north, a little bit better defined at 78. Really, the only model really explodes it right now is Icon. Outside the neighbors, at least. Neighbors are a lot more respectable. CMC at 96 is right on the coast of Louisiana. Icon is 986, even a hurricane. Wow. EPS at 96 barely shows a system at the same position. Let's look at GEFS 66 hours. Barely shows a system. Let's look at 72. Not really. Models have backed off a little bit, especially in neighbors, since our discussion last night. 102 hours on the GEPS shows it inland. So based on this, I continue with the 30, but mostly out of the trend, and expect it to bounce back. The Western Atlantic doesn't really have anything, but we're watching a wave south of the Cape Verde, which could move westward, but extremely doubtful to form within the next 7 days. Nothing else is expected to form over the Atlantic during the next 7 days, and Eastern Pacific, nothing expected to form over the next 7 days. Well, that's your tropical update.